Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the exciting world of trading strategies. Today we are going to explore the key trading strategies that can help you achieve financial success. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Before we dive into the strategies, let's quickly recap what trading strategies are all about. Trading strategies are techniques used by traders and investors to make informed decisions in financial markets. They are essential for managing risks and maximizing potential returns. Now, let's explore some popular trading strategies. The first strategy we'll discuss is fundamental analysis. This approach involves analyzing financial statements, economic data, and industry trends to determine the value of a security. It helps traders identify stocks that may be undervalued or overvalued. Fundamental analysis provides a solid foundation for long-term investing. Moving on, we have technical analysis. This strategy focuses on studying historical price patterns, charts, and indicators to predict future price movements. Traders using technical analysis believe that historical data can provide valuable insights into market trends and behavior. Now, let's talk about momentum trading. Momentum traders jump into trades based on recent trends and market momentum. They look for stocks that have been gaining strength and expect the upward momentum to continue. Momentum trading can be an exciting but fast-paced strategy. On the flip side, we have contrarian trading. Contrarian traders take positions opposite to the prevailing market sentiment. They believe that when the crowd is overly optimistic or pessimistic, the market is likely to reverse. Contrarian trading requires careful analysis and a contrarian mindset. Another intriguing strategy is arbitrage. Arbitrageurs exploit price discrepancies in different markets or securities to make risk-free profits. They buy low in one market and sell high in another, capitalizing on temporary imbalances. Arbitrage requires quick execution and a deep understanding of market inefficiencies. Lastly, we have day trading. Day traders execute multiple trades within a single day, aiming to profit from short-term price fluctuations. They closely monitor intraday charts and use technical indicators to identify entry and exit points. Day trading can be highly rewarding, but it demands discipline and risk management. Now that we've covered these strategies, remember that choosing the right one depends on your personal preferences, risk tolerance, and market conditions. It's crucial to develop a well-defined trading plan and continuously educate yourself to succeed in the ever-changing financial landscape. That wraps up today's discussion on trading strategies. We hope this video provided you with valuable insights into different approaches to trading. Remember, practice, research, and continuous learning are essential for becoming a successful trader. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on our channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy trading!